In this video, I'm going to show you how to drag someone in Discord VC on a mobile device. Now, unfortunately, you aren't able to do this using the Discord mobile app. You still are able to do it on a mobile device, except you are going to need to use Discord on a web browser instead of the app itself. So if you're on an Android device, please open up Google like you normally would. And if you're on an iOS device, open up Safari. Anyways, then you just want to go to the search bar and type in Discord login right over here. Then go to the official discord.com website just like so. All right, then most importantly, you want to go to the top menu, press on these three dots, scroll down, then make sure that desktop site is selected. So let's go ahead and do that right over here. And now it is going to prompt us to log into our Discord account. So again, it's really important that you make sure you are on the desktop site, and then from there you should be good to go. So now what you want to do is you want to go over to Discord and join the call that the person you want to move is in. All right, and then once you guys are in a call with the person you're trying to move, then you can long press on them. Then you're going to see this option that says move to, and then you're able to go ahead and select where you want to move them. So I know it may be a little bit hard to see because we're obviously on a mobile device trying to use the desktop version, but if you scroll, you will see move to, and then you're able to go ahead and move them to a different channel, just like so. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.